Thank you for viewing this Hawaiian property. This is an amazing opportunity to own a remodeled, fully furnished, 2-bedroom, 2-full-bath condo in the heart of South Maui. Beautifully upgraded, this third floor and unit has been recently painted and new lifetime warranty, LifeProof vinyl flooring installed. Stainless steel appliances, upgraded kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, and new high-gloss furnishings add to its modern contemporary design. Pacific Shore's ideal location gives you lots of choices. Choose to enjoy the heated pool and jacuzzi or choose a beach. Kamaole Beach I directly across the street or Charley Young Beach just a couple of blocks away. Swim with the sea turtles, enjoy surfing at the cove or watch the evening sunsets. Incredible restaurants, shopping, golf and tennis are nearby.